Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jordan and today I'm going to teach you a few helpful signs that beginners should know in American Sign Language. First sign we're going to learn is again. Take both hands like this in a closed 5. Your non-dominant hand, which is my left hand, is going to be palm up, and then our dominant hand is going to be a little bit curved, and then turn your dominant hand into your non-dominant hand. So my right hand goes into my left hand. So this is again. The next sign we're going to learn is first. So I'm going to take my first finger and just touch it. So this is first. Our next sign is last. So take our I on both hands. Our dominant hand is going to start from the top and then move and just touch our non-dominant pinky and just go past. So this is last. The next sign is name. Take your H on both hands. Your dominant hand is just going to tap right on top of your other H. So this is name. Next sign is number. So we're going to take an O, but we're going to close our hand a little bit on both hands and then just touch them like this. So this is number. Our next sign is slow. Let's take your non-dominant hand, my left hand, place it down, palm down, and then take our dominant hand and just go very slow against your arm. So this is slow. Just move it nice and slow across your hand. Next sign is fast. There's 2 different ways to sign this. You can sign with both hands like this, with our 5 hands going like this, or you can sign like this. Fast is this, or you can sign it this way. Next sign is yes. So we start off with a S shape and then we're going to move it up and down like we're knocking on the door. Also, we have to move our head up and down and nod while we're doing the yes. It goes with the non-manual sign that you have to do while you're signing yes. For no, we take our 3 and just bring them down. And at the same time, we're going to shake our head no. So no. Yes, no. And our next sign is maybe. Take your hands like this, palm facing up, and just move them up and down. At the same time, you can move our shoulders a little bit and you can move your eyebrows down because you're not really sure. Maybe. Last sign is I don't know. So we're taking our dominant hand, bring it here, a closed 5 to your forehead, and then just bring it out. So like, I don't know. At the same time, we're shaking our head, eyebrows are furrowed because we just don't know. I don't know. So from the beginning, we learned again, first, last, name, number, slow, fast or fast, yes, no, maybe, and I don't know. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing and replay this video if you need to watch anything again or slow it down. You can do this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.